Hey everyone, I'm Elaine. Today we're making Chinese garlic chili sauce. Stick around because later I'll show you how to use it for steamed oysters. Let's begin. You'll need 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 cup garlic, equal parts facing heaven chilies and larger red chilies, 1.5 cups, 120 gram mixed chili peppers. First, wash the chilies. Peel and slice the ginger. Break the chili and place in a blender. Blend for 2 to 3 seconds. Wait until it stops completely, then repeat 3 to 4 times. Pour out the chopped chilies. Now blend garlic and half the ginger slices the same way to get minced garlic. Heat 3 cups oil in a wok. Add 2 spring onions, remaining ginger, 2 star anise, and 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns. Important, add spices to cold oil. Don't overheat or it'll turn bitter. Simmer 5 to 8 minutes until fragrant. Remove spices with a strainer. Add the garlic. Remember to use a slow fire as we don't want to burn the garlic. Simmer for around 2 minutes. Then add chili paste we made previously. Slowly simmer for 15 minutes until well combined. Add salt, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Let the sauce cool, then transfer into a clean and airtight jar and store in fridge. This sauce is perfect for steamed oysters. Makes them super flavorful and juicy. Look how delicious this turned out. You should try too. Every bite exudes the tenderness of the meat and the flavor of the sauce. Welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye!